Today we're diving into a quick guide on how to silence message tones on the WhatsApp PC app, especially after their latest update. If you're looking for some peaceful moments without those notification pings, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp account on your PC. You can do this by launching the app or accessing it through your web browser. Once you're logged in and all set, we'll move on to the next step. Now that you're in, look for the gear icon in the top left corner of your screen. This icon represents the settings for your account. Click on it to access various account options where you can manage your preferences. Once you're in the settings menu, find and click on the Notifications tab. This section is crucial because it's where you can adjust all your notification settings to suit your needs. In the Notifications section, look for the option to disable message tones. This feature allows you to turn off sound alerts for incoming messages, ensuring you can stay focused or enjoy some quiet time without interruption. Simply toggle off the message sound option, and just like that, you've silenced the tones. It's that easy. You've now successfully muted the message notifications on your WhatsApp PC app. Whether you're working, studying, or just need a break from the constant notifications, these simple steps will help create a more peaceful environment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.